Good morning, everyone. We're back. Yes, we are back. Walter and I have returned from our trip from out west, and this is a reminder that we will be talking about it and a whole lot of other topics on today's Stephen and Walter Live. Yes, we're back to our regular schedule, and today's will be, when I say today, I mean Sunday, April the 30th, 2023, starting at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, we're going to talk about, yes, our trip. Probably most of it will be about the trip. We're going to talk about some of the really neat quilt stores we visited as well. Maybe show you some of the fabric that we bought. And as I lose my voice here, just going to talk about future plans for trips, projects, and some announcements about upcoming events. So I hope you can join us today, Sunday, April the 30th, 2023, at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. See you then. Bye bye.